So you can easily learn how to prepare your ponmo for making stew or making vegetable soup, for cooking other soups such as egusi soup also. So first of all, you put the ponmo in water. If it's a dry one, you have to soak it in water overnight. In the morning, you bring it out to actually clean the inside using the knives like this. You clean the inside using knives or perhaps the iron sponge, clean iron sponge, to wash all the inside and remove all those small pieces of dried parts inside that is now soft. So that is what we are doing here. You clean it very well to ensure that there is no any dirty parts or small pieces of stone. By washing it thoroughly also with your sponge, use knife, sponge, and wash it thoroughly. Even the outside, you scrape the outside. Any dirt outside must be removed. Any uh, black portions from the preparation, you remove all that. Then, after cleaning it this way, it will be ready for cutting into pieces. Then you can begin to cut it into pieces, as you can see here. Cut it into small pieces, sizes that you wish. As you are doing that, you can wash it clean, as you can see here, and wash it again. Cut it into sizes and then wash it once again with clean water, clean running water. Now you can also use warm water to do this, to do the final cleaning. After that, then your ponmo is ready to dice into very small pieces. You can see that now. It's been diced into small pieces, and then finally it will be ready to be added to a stew that is already being prepared. Or perhaps after dicing it this way, you can actually parboil it with meat. Parboil it together with meat, then it will be ready to be transferred to a stew. You see that? Can you see this? It's transferred to a cooking soup. This is likely a goosey soup. Transfer it there now. Then allow it to cool to cook together for 10-15 minutes or 20 minutes